Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are reviewing this Diagnostic leak detector, fast smoke generator, big smoke volume, one key start controlled, 5-minute working cycle, environmental friendly smoke without any bad smell. So let's go ahead and show you what you get. That way you guys know what you're getting. Now you can use this for personal use or you could use this for your business. A lot of people in garages will use this in their mechanic shop to find issues. So this is what you get. So you get the device itself, you get the hoses, the clamps, the wires, and everything needed. So this is going to be connected to your battery. The red connects to your positive, the black connects to your negative. So this product has a built-in air mode which does not require an air compressor. And the pressure gauge can quickly determine whether there is a leak, the size of the leak, and the characteristics of the fast smoke. So this is it. It's nice and compact. It provides you with the pressure, minimum, maximum, refill, and no smoke, olive level or oil level before use. Connection up top here. Open this up and that'll show you the level. So overall, this is to show you guys what you get.